dragging it down. There's way too much traffic down there. Here, honey.
Hold that while I drive by.